Inside the human body, every sip of alcohol begins a powerful and complex journey. As the glass is lifted toward the mouth, the senses respond. The smell, the anticipation, the first contact on the tongue. Within seconds, alcohol starts interacting with the body's chemistry. Once swallowed, the liquid travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach. Here, part of it is absorbed immediately into the bloodstream through the stomach lining. The rest moves into the small intestine, where absorption becomes even faster and more efficient. Tiny villi draw alcohol molecules directly into the blood, sending them throughout the entire body. As the bloodstream carries alcohol to the brain, signals begin to shift. Neurons fire differently. Some pathways become more active, creating temporary feelings of relaxation, confidence, or ease. Muscles loosen slightly, and the mind may feel lighter. Meanwhile, the liver, the body's main processing center, begins its work. It breaks down alcohol as quickly as it can, converting it into usable and removable substances. But the liver can only process a limited amount at a time, so the rest continues to circulate. The gut microbiome also responds, changing activity as alcohol passes through the digestive system. Energy